Should I cut the PVC in my kitchen drain? I am replacing my kitchen cabinets. I am not sure how to handle the 2 inches PCV drain from the sink, i.e. should I cut the PVC, make a hole in the cabinet and join the pipe, or cut a U-slot in the cabinet and slide it down, i.e. avoid cuts to the drain pipe? How is it normally done, and if I have to cut the PVC and rejoin, is it easy? Question from user Hours at Stack Exchange. Answer: the most usual approach, given what you have, would be to cut the pipe and install a union, so the pipe can be taken apart and put back together. Obviously, the last person chose cut a big weird hole as well as doing some very dodgy wiring while they were at it. You'll need to do the same for the supply pipes. Answer from user Eknair Wall at Stack Exchange.